In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print invoices in WooCommerce. If you've ever wanted to streamline your order processing and provide customers with professional invoices, you're in the right place. We're going to dive into this step by step, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is install the PDF invoices and packing slips for WooCommerce plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and find the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New, and in the search bar, type PDF invoices and packing slips for WooCommerce. Once you locate the plugin, simply click Install Now. After a few moments, you'll see the option to activate it. Go ahead and click Activate. With the plugin activated, your next task is to navigate to its settings. This is usually found under WooCommerce settings, specifically under the Invoices Packing tab. Now, you will see several options that you can adjust based on your needs. One popular feature is the Show Print Invoice button for customers. Enabling this option allows your customers to print their invoices directly from their account page. You can also choose to attach a PDF version of the invoice to the order confirmation emails automatically. Just check the relevant box and you're set. Now, an exciting feature of this plugin is its live template editor, which gives you the opportunity to completely customize the appearance of your invoices. If branding is vital for your business, spend some time here to upload your logo, adjust fonts, and maybe add personalized footer text. Customizing these elements will help ensure that your invoices align with your brand's identity. Once you've got everything set up the way you like, it's time to put it into action. Head over to the Orders section under WooCommerce. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent orders. Next to each order, you should find a new icon that looks like a small piece of paper. This is your invoice icon. Simply click it to generate and print the invoice for that specific order. If you have multiple invoices to print at once, there's no need to handle them individually. Just use the Bulk Actions drop-down, select all the orders you need invoices for, and then choose to print them all together. This efficient trick can save you a lot of time and hassle. And that's it! You've now learned how to install and use the PDF invoices and packing slips for WooCommerce plugin to print invoices in WooCommerce. This tool not only helps you keep track of your sales, but also provides your customers with professional and consistent documentation. Happy printing, and as always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.